When will you actually have enough for the things you are saving for? This sheet answers one question. At the pace you really save, when will you actually have enough? Step 1. Declare your goals in the Goals tab. You only ever type in the yellow cells. The name, the target amount, what you already have, the deadline, and how much you plan to set aside each month. The gray columns fill themselves in. Saved so far, % done, still needed, and how much you need per month. The cards along the top update too. Total target, saved so far, and how many goals are falling behind. Step 2. Every time you move money into a goal, you add one row in the savings log. The number and month columns appear on their own. Add as many rows as you like. You never drag a formula. The cards show what you have put in, what you have taken back out, and how long it has been since your last deposit. Step 3. And this is the part that earns its keep. The Forecast tab. It reads your real pace over the last 3 months, and works out which month each goal actually gets funded. On time is green. Late is red, with exactly how many months late. No guessing. The last column is each goal's rhythm over 6 months. One look and you can see which one you forgot about. Step 4. The Goal History tab. Pick a goal in the yellow cell to check it. Every deposit and every withdrawal shows up, with a running balance after each one. Step 5. The Overview tab puts every goal on a single screen. A progress bar for each goal, a chart of where your money is sitting, and a comment the sheet writes by itself. There are 2 more tabs for digging in. Filter lets you slice the log by goal, by type, by month. Pick all to drop that condition. The cards in the list below follow whatever you choose. The By Month tab rolls every goal up into 12 months. A month that has already passed with nothing saved turns red. Those gaps are what push your finish date out the furthest. Scan the code to see this template on our website.